Cars play a major role in our lives. But how many of us give a second thought to what goes on under the bonnet when we start the engine?
All that rubbing and that pressing can lead to a phenomenon called abrasion. Material is lost from these critical surfaces, and once that material is lost, the engine will never run quite as well again.
On a global level, engine wear is one of the greatest motoring problems today. For almost 20 years, Castrol have been working on a solution.
What we've been doing at Castrol is working on very special kinds of molecules.
Molecules that give oil the power to cling to critical parts, even when your engine is turned off. Ready to protect from the moment you turn the key.
The Magnatec intelligent molecules cling so tenaciously that if you left them there 100 years, the molecules would still be there, ready to protect.
And what you can see is real evidence of scratches, of abrasive wear. It's just not evident in the Magnatec cam.
The lab tests look promising. But how does Castrol Magnatec perform in cars on the roads? The best people to ask are the professionals, car mechanics. First of all, the conditions for driving in Moscow are really tough. All those freezing temperatures and constant traffic jams. That's why we recommend Castrol Magnatec to our customers. And we tell our friends, and we use it ourselves because it has features that protect the engine. Castrol Magnatec? Well, constantly changing lanes and braking suddenly in traffic jams and then pulling off again is a serious problem for your engine. But adding Castrol Magnatec reduces the wear and tear. But what about our drivers? Can they see the difference Castrol Magnatec makes? There's clearly a difference. This part is rough, and this part is smooth.
Well, these engine parts I've got, one is really smooth. If I touch it, my finger just slips over it. The other one is really, well, it's ridges, and I can actually feel my finger jerking over it.
Looking at the two cameras, this one on the right feels very smooth, while the one on the left feels very rough. And when I use my fingernail to scrape them, I can hear the one on the left is basically worn down, while the one on the right seems brand new. And if you're still not convinced, Tony has a final demonstration which will leave you in no doubt about Castrol Magnatec's protective power.
I can show you the effect that Castrol's intelligent molecules have very easily. I've got some abrasive here which I've coated with the actual intelligent molecules that are used in Magnatec. And if I take something perhaps people might recognize, a smartphone, I can attempt to abrade the surface of the smartphone with the abrasive, but the intelligent molecules protect the phone, and no abrasion has taken place.
What's more, there's another great advantage to switching to Castrol Magnatec.
It doesn't really take any time to start feeling the benefits of Magnatec when you use it. It's very interesting because even in a case, if I draw another graph, and I plot wear and time here, when we've tested these molecules, then even if you've used a poor oil and the wear's accumulated quite swiftly, if you change to Magnatec, you slow that wear rate dramatically.
So the benefit of Castrol Magnatec is that it offers instant protection from the moment you turn the key. Giving us all peace of mind, knowing our car engines are well protected.
I'm very pleased with this story. I think it's a good story, and I think we're all very happy here that we've been able to work on technologies that bring these kind of advantages straight away.
It's very rewarding to look at the results that we generate here and realise that we've created a solution to the problem of abrasive wear in engines all around the globe. And that solution is available to drivers everywhere.